Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and has service, because voicemail needs network access. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab to see visual voicemail. If you don't see messages, dial your carrier's voicemail number to access audio voicemail. That's the fallback. Once you can access voicemail, you're ready to delete messages or change settings. This step ensures you actually reach the messages you want to remove. Now remove the messages. Swipe left on any voicemail and tap delete to take it out of your inbox, which is the quickest single message action. For many messages, tap edit, select the ones you want or select all, then delete. That moves them to deleted messages. Make sure to open deleted messages and tap clear all or delete to permanently remove them from storage, because otherwise they remain recoverable and continue using space until cleared. To fully stop voicemail, you can disable it with your carrier or set call forwarding to another number at Settings Phone Call Forwarding. Carriers may need to deactivate the service. If visual voicemail glitches, restart the iPhone or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh network services. If messages reappear or deletion fails, update iOS and then contact your carrier. They can reset your voicemail box server-side, which fixes most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.